And welcome to Rocky Rabbit's daily combo for August 7th. Alright, in this particular video, what I've decided right now, I've made up to 4 or 5 parts of tutorials, right? And I think that I may sometimes merge some tutorials with the daily combo so as to explain certain things. Okay, like in this particular video now, I'm going to show you how to claim some points from the activities you have already carried out. All right, with my leftover cards, I'm yet to claim their points, so I'll be showing you in this video. So if this is your first time, I want you to really know that I sincerely appreciate you, I care. And for all returning subscribers, gracias, merci beaucoup. Namaste, obrigado, gambaki, midawase, eshekudalo, email, nagode, and noa. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from and how I can tell you thank you in your local language. And also in the comments, let me know what level are you at, what tournament are you playing already, and what level are you at in that particular tournament for Rocky Rabbits, and what help do you need? What can I make a tutorial on to help you get to the next level? Let me know in the comments. Alright, if you're here to subscribe, remember to subscribe, like, and share the video, and also smash the notification bell so that as soon as I drop the next important video for you, you'll be the very first to get notified. Okay? To get started with Rocky Rabbit is very easy. All you need is a link, a referral link, and you can get that in the description of this video. And you can also join my Telegram channel where you get updates and support and all that you need to really do well in your business and Web 3. Alright, let's get down to the task of the moment without much ado. So quickly, first things first, let's go to earn and get our daily streak days. So today I'm on 18-day streak. I've not broken a day without coming here to grab my. So that means that in the last 18 days I've been very consistent coming here, and I want to break a record for myself, setting a 30-day streak. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so that's done now, out of the way. So quickly we scroll down to the super sets. Okay, so we've got the super sets. So now the first card, we look for fighter warm up. Wow, please pardon me for the background noise. I am in camp and it's quite noisy here. Right, I have to look for a place where I can get network, because the last 2 days I've been struggling with getting quality network. In fact, 2 days ago, some of the videos I uploaded took 6 hours plus some of them to get uploaded. Yes, it's really that bad because the network appears to be jamming, but I'm able to find this place where I am now. So it appears to be more noisy than some other places. I can't stay in the room to do this because the network there is really terrible. So please pardon me for the background noise. Okay, so let's go on. So the next we are looking for now is technical training. But this technical training, let's see. Technical training. This is not actually the card, but let me remove it first, and let's go and look for coach. Under coach, we'll find here is the technical training here. Under coach, technical training here. There's the technical. Here is it. See, there are 2 technical training where this is the technical training we are looking for. This one, level 6. That is it. And then the next card is under fighter venture, and we're looking for nutrition. That's developing a nutrition brand, and here is it, developing a nutrition brand, and that's it. So let's check. Absolutely. So you can see that there are 2 technical training cards there. The one you find is the technical training under coach. All right. So grab your 2 million. All right. Now the next thing I want you to learn in this video now is how to claim some coins. Now let me show you something. Let's go here. You can see I have 10,220,000, right? Let's claim some coins and increase the value, the balances. Let's go. Mine. Let's scroll down. Okay, none here. Let's check claim. Okay. Okay, here I can claim this now, 45.6K. So you can see 10,215,214 now, right? Let's go again. 10,214. Let's go again. Let's go to claim. 10,214. 10,214. Now let's claim again. This one 9,282. Added to 10,214. So that will be 220. The 217 now, right? The 217. Let's go again. We're not done yet. So let's claim. So claim here increases you are claiming for this one now 14.9K. So that'll be 10,217. So that'll be 10,220. Okay, let's go on. We are yet to finish claiming. So you need to claim your coins, all right, to increase your balance because you're going to be using them to upgrade. For your upgrade, right? So you need to claim them. Look at here now. I'm claiming 16K here, claiming 18K here, claiming 20K. So let's claim all the three. We claim that. Claim this. Yeah, so let's claim this too. All right, let's claim this. So all of these we are claiming, you need them to build up, to stack up your level because you want to get to the next level faster. So always, as you're carrying out your tasks. Now I can claim again at the end of one day. So I think I'm done here. Yeah. So let's go to coach and see if we have any to claim. Yes, we have here to claim. But before we go there, let's check. You can see 10,273,000. So let's go back and lay claim to coach claim. And so we have punching practice 17.9K. Next 20.2K. Next 22.4K. Next 24.7K. And then next 26.9K. 29.15K. 31.4K. And then you have 35.9K. That's 40.4K. 44.8K, 84K. 49.32K. And then you have 53.81K. We have 68.3K. 62.8K. This is 67.26K. And then 71.7K. 75. Yeah, this one is 76.23K. 80.7K. 85.2K. So you can see we are claiming a lot of coins and we are going to be using this to upgrade, to buy cards for upgrade. Yes. Okay. Okay, so we are done. So there's nothing more. If you go to tournaments, there's nothing to claim. Tournaments is all about the tournament levels, right? You start with newcomer, freshman, Ember, Spectre, Enigma, Aken. I'm at Aken now. Next level now. By the time I'm at Aken and level 7. So by the time I get to level 10, I'll complete and get to Apex tournament. From Apex to Vanguard and then to Zenith, then the Titan tournament. Okay, so let's check. You can see our balances, coin balance have increased to 11.455 million. All right, so that's what now. And at this time too, we are ready for upgrade. You can see that with this push now, our now has moved to the level 7 has moved to filled up, ready for the next upgrade. I think I should also use video to upgrade it so that I don't have to create a separate video for that. So let's just tap on upgrade, and it takes us to the card to upgrade. So we'll just buy and upgrade. 10 million is taken away from the 10.5 million. You can see that. Let's go and check now. We're now on level 8. You can see 10.5 million taken away from that. So we are now on level. You can see that our balances have dropped to 969, right? And we're now on level 8%. So as these coins are gathering now, so if I tap now, tapping will also help to increase and keep pushing it to the end there. So the amount of your coins is what determines when your level fills up. So keep on tapping and tapping and tapping and tapping until you get to the end of it. So once you complete it, then you are now able to graduate or upgrade to the next level. So that is it. So we have in this video now fixed the daily combo, right? We have fixed the daily combo cards. Check them. You have them there. Warm up, technical training, and developing a nutrition brand. And then we have also been able to claim all our outstanding coins. I've claimed them, and with the claim now, we're able to push up our coin balances to now also upgrade to the next level. So you go ahead, like and share this video, and let me know what you think. Do you have any coins to claim? Let me know. Have you been able to claim them all along? All right, so just let me know, okay, in the comments. I appreciate you so much. Like, share this video, and let's continue with the conversation in the next video. Thank you, and God bless you.